Okay, so we've just been talking about how writers use metaphor to build more convincing and more interesting descriptions. Does everybody understand?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great, but try not to shout out, okay? I wonder, can anyone tell me what a metaphor is? Okay, this is great. I can see loads of hands up. Have a go, Angeli.
It's like an adjective, so it's for describing something.
That's right, we do use metaphors for describing. Kyle, you had your hand up. What do you think a metaphor is?
Well, I don't know. It's a thingy. I can't remember the word for it now.
A device. Great, so we know that metaphor is a device that writers use to describe. Let's go. Put your hand up if you can tell me how a metaphor works. Okay, still loads of hands up. I'm really impressed with the effort here, guys. Okay, Angeli, calm down. You can answer.
It works by describing the thing that you're talking about.
But you use something else to describe it.
That's it. Really good understanding. Well done. We use another object or another idea to describe something. That can help our reader to understand what it is that we're actually trying to convey. So, Charlotte, can you explain what a metaphor is and how it works?
Not really.
Okay. Tony, can you help her out? Guys, just put your hands down for a moment.
I think it's where we use a different adjective to describe something.
Nah, that's not it. It's when you describe something as something else.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Seems like we're getting this. Heaven, can you tell me what a metaphor is?
It's a different way of describing an idea.
That's true. Angeli, can you help Heaven explain this a little bit better?
Yes, it's where we use something to describe something else.
Excellent. Well done, everyone. I think we're really getting this. Jennifer, would you add anything to that answer?
I'm not really sure, sir.
Okay, that's okay. Remember, it's when we're using another idea or another object to describe the thing we're focusing on. Does that make sense now?
Sort of, yes.
Okay, let's move on. Next, we're going to have a go at writing our own examples. So for this task, we're going to describe a big wave crashing onto a beach. Does anyone want to have a go before we start? Okay, great. That's lots of hands up again. Asim, have a go.
The wave was huge, ginormous, and powerful.
Okay, that was a really good description, Asim, but it's not quite a metaphor. You need something else to describe the wave.
I did use something else. I said ginormous and powerful too.
Angeli, can you explain why Asim's not quite right here?
Yes, I can. He needs to use something else. Like, you wouldn't say ginormous, you would say the wave was a huge, powerful tower.
That is great. Thank you, Angeli. That's a metaphor because Angeli described the wave as a tower. The wave isn't really a tower. It's just a good way of showing how massive the wave actually is. Do we get that now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's have a go. Everyone's going to write 3 examples of metaphors that could be used to describe a big wave crashing onto a beach. Off you go. Still a couple of hands up. What's up, Jennifer?
I don't know what to do.